What's up guys, Jomak here, and this video is part ng mga upload ko about home exercises. I will also eventually upload gym exercises. But for now, let's talk about yung proper form pag gumagawa ka ng hammer curls. Right? So, first natin is bicep curls, which is I talked about on the previous video. Kung gusto mo yung mga ganitong series ng videos guys, ililink ko yung mga ibang series dito sa description, sa baba. But in any case, let's go ahead and do a hammer curl. So by the way, ang target muscle for the hammer curl is yung longer head for the bicep, alright? Pagka bicep curl, yung lapad kumbaga nung biceps mo. Pag hammer naman, yung haba, so kung hanggang saan yung parang umbok niya, yung isa yung lapad, yung isa yung haba. Tapos aside from that, doing hammer curls also activates yung brachioradialis natin, which is yung forearm natin. And alam naman natin na syempre kailangan balance yung pagbubuhat natin. Natural malaki yung arms mo, dapat yung forearm mo yung exercises mo rin para maka-avoid ka ng injuries. So simpleng-simple lang, ang hold na gagamitin natin is yung neutral hold sa gitna ng mga bars. Tapos ang starting position natin, ganun pa rin yung stance. Shoulders back, chest out, stomach in, glutes flexed, saka yung quads natin. Tapos palms facing each other inwards, right? Yung dumbbell is medyo nakaangat ng konti, hindi nakadikit sa katawan natin. Tapos when we come up or pag nag-flex tayo, pa-W. Ganyan guys. Hindi siya ganito, hindi siya ganyan. Kasi ang kadalasan nagiging problem natin, pagka papasok yung flex natin, tumutulong yung balikat saka yung likod natin. Kaya ang ginagawa natin, gumaganyan, nai-injure tayo. So ang tamang form is medyo palabas ng konti. Yan. Aside from that, syempre naiipit ng bicep natin yung sarili niya pagka straight na straight yung pag-flex natin. So kailangan medyo pabuka ng konti. Ganito. So tuloy-tuloy lang yan guys. 3 sets, and again, I recommend reverse pyramid training, meaning yung heaviest sets mo is yung kailangan, yun yung unang set mo. After that, second set, mag-minus ka lang ng 20% dun sa weight na ginagamit mo. So for example, 20 pounds. Second set mo, kailangan mga 15 pounds na lang. Third set mo, more or less mga 12 pounds or 10 pounds. This way, na ma-maximize mo yung gains mo because hindi ka papagod na pagod dun sa during your first set. Again, don't forget to warm up. So if you like this video and found this informative guys, don't forget to drop a like down below and consider subscribing to this channel. Again, you can check all the other exercises tutorials na i-upload ko, both yung mga pwede mong gawin sa bahay and pwede mong gawin sa gym. Again, Jomak here. Thank you for watching and kita-kits sa next upload. Thank you.